Preface. This volume of lecture notes in mechanical engineering, LNME, is one of 2 volumes including papers selected from the 31st International Conference on Flexible Automation and Intelligent Manufacturing, FAIM 2022, held in Detroit, Michigan, USA, from June 19 to 23, 2022. The FAIM 2022 conference was organized by Wayne State University, a Carnegie R1 doctoral university, member of the University Research Corridor of Michigan and located in Midtown Detroit. Flexible Automation and Intelligent Manufacturing, FAIM, is a renowned international forum for academia and industry to disseminate novel research, theories, and practices relevant to automation and manufacturing. For over 30 years, the FAIM conference has provided a strong and continuous presence in the international manufacturing scene, addressing both technology and management aspects via scientific conference sessions, workshops, tutorials, and industry tours. Since 1991, FAIM has been hosted in prestigious universities on both sides of the Atlantic and, in recent years, in Asia. The conference attracts hundreds of global leaders in automation and manufacturing research who attend program sessions where rigorously peer-reviewed papers are presented during the multiple-day conference. The conference links researchers and industry practitioners in a continuous effort to bridge the gap between research and implementation. FAIM 2022 received 258 contributions from over 30 countries and over 120 institutions around the world. After a 2-stage double-blind review, the Technical Program Committee accepted 160 papers from 28 countries and affiliated with 91 institutions. 119 papers have been included in 2 LNME volumes, and 31 extended papers are published as fast-track articles in the Journal of Robotics and Computer Integrated Manufacturing and International Journal of Advanced Manufacturing Technology. A selection of these LNME articles will be invited to submit substantially extended versions to special issues in the International Journal of Computer Integrated Manufacturing and Machines Journal. We appreciate the authors for their contributions and would like to acknowledge the FAIM Steering Committee, Advisory Board Committee, Honorary Chairs, the Scientific Committee members, and manuscript reviewers for their significant efforts, continuous support, sharing their expertise, and conducting manuscript reviews. Manuscript reviewers came from various locations around the world, representing 43 countries and affiliated with more than 210 institutions. With such effort and dignity, we were able to maintain the high standards of the papers included in the FAIM program. Special thanks to FAIM 2022's honorary keynote speakers: Joseph Beeman, Professor Ernest F. Gloina, Regents Chair in Engineering, the University of Texas at Austin, USA. Branch Bowden, Digital Enterprise Lead, Air Force Research Lab, Air Force Manufacturing Technology Program. Ryan Jarvis, Vice President and General Manager, Siemens Digital Industries, and Mario Santillo, Robotics Research Leader, Ford Motor Company. We would also like to acknowledge FAIM 2022's Industry Day speaker: Mark Dolson, President, TRQSS, Inc. Tom Hoffman, Portfolio Development Executive and Director of Business, Siemens. Lindsay Clay, Innovation, Commercialization and Technology Transfer Leader, Innovation, Commercialization and Technology Transfer Leader, Wayne State University. Angie Lafferty, General Manager, Engineering and Skilled Trades, TRQSS, Inc. Benjamin Messick, Director of Technology, ATCO Industries. Raymond Monroe, Executive Vice President, Steel Founders Society of America, SFSA. Sam Phillips, Digital Enterprise and Services at Siemens Digital Industries USA, Siemens, and Wendy Serra, Director of Advanced Manufacturing Services, Jacobs Engineering. The book Flexible Automation and Intelligent Manufacturing: The Human, Data, Technology Nexus, Proceedings of FAIM 2022 has been organized in 2 LNME volumes. The present volume, Volume 1, has been published via the open access route, while Volume 2 has been published via the subscription route. The theme of FAIM 2022 was Human, Data, Technology Nexus in Intelligent Manufacturing and Next-Generation Automation. In both volumes, the papers have been organized into 4 thematic pillars in automation and intelligence streams, underpinning the conference's main theme: manufacturing processes, machine tools, manufacturing systems, and enabling technologies. 1. Manufacturing processes. This thematic pillar encompasses new and innovative processes such as additive, laser-based deposition, and hybrid processes, innovative materials in manufacturing, precision engineering, and processes at the micro and nanoscales. 2. Machine tools. The machine tools thematic pillar focuses on research and development of manufacturing machine technologies. Specific topics in this area include but are not limited to numerical control and mechatronics, intelligent machine tools, process and condition monitoring, and computer-aided manufacturing. 3. Manufacturing systems. Manufacturing systems are a thematic pillar that covers a broad range of manufacturing and automation topics. Topic areas with manufacturing systems include Industry 4.0, sustainable, green manufacturing, lean and post-lean manufacturing, human-robot collaboration, quality control and inspection, logistics and supply chain engineering, education and training, and more. 4. Enabling technologies. Enabling technologies are a thematic pillar with topic areas that impact the three aforementioned pillars. Topics within this pillar cover applied artificial intelligence, machine learning, virtual, augmented reality, digital twins, manufacturing networks and security, and ontologies and information modeling. We appreciate the partnership with Springer, Coniftool, and our sponsors for their fantastic support during the preparation of FAIM 2022. Thank you very much to the FAIM 2022 organizing team, whose hard work was critical to the success of the FAIM 2022 conference. August 2022. Kyung Yun Kim, Leslie Monplaisir, Jeremy Rickley,